The Speechie project is funded by the Malta Council for Science and Technology. It is being carried out between the University of Malta and Flying Squirrel Games, which is the industrial partner in this project. And the aim of the project is to develop a smart device which supports children with language impairment. My inspiration started after accompanying my child during speech therapy sessions, because I observed that after a while children get bored with the usual games.
With this Speechie project, we are actually developing a smart device that will actually help both the speech-language pathologists and parents, carers of children to work together from home. So it will save time, because the carer doesn't need to bring the child so often to the clinic. The speech-language pathologist will be able to assess and intervene using the device and monitor the progress of the child and whatever the parents are working and doing with the child at home. So it's definitely time-saving, and it is a form of telepractice which is progressing steadily worldwide.
The concept of having the smart device look like a penguin came up during a workshop off campus. It has a lot of functions, it can move, and therefore it will engage more the children during the exercises. It can react to different speech input that the device receives. It has an integrated screen, so it facilitates the interaction of the child with the device, and also it has a backpack which the SLP or the parent can put something in it, and if the device recognizes that the word is good as a reward, the device opens the backpack and gives as a surprise that item to the child. One other thing is it can flap its hands, so to indicate that it recognizes a particular word. Of course, this has a lot of challenges because it's a multidisciplinary project. It had also aspects which deal with collecting data, which sometimes prove to be a bit difficult to do so by recruiting atypical children. So that was a challenge, and also the major challenge from an engineering point of view was to develop something which is ergonomic, appealing to the children, and at the same time it can be easily produced by advanced manufacturing processes.
We'll envision a bright future for Speechie. We're currently in the last year of the project. We're using Malta as our test bed, using Maltese and English as our languages. The feedback has been very positive so far. So this takes us onto the next year, where we plan on making more changes to the design of the toy to make it more, improve the ergonomics, improve the durability of the device, as well as with the help of the speech experts on the team. We need to improve the games, the content, so we address a wider range of symptoms. How do we get there? So what do we need to do next? After this third year, we need to work further to address a wider European market instead of just focusing on the local audience.
Needless to say, this is a multidisciplinary project, and it involves speech-language pathologists, engineers, and experts in ICT. We have involved postgraduate students in the project, which is wonderful, and it can only be possible to produce a device and to see it functioning because of the team approach, which is multidisciplinary, that we are employing.
Right now, the funding for the Speechie project has been through the private investment from Flying Squirrel Games, as well from the MCST's product development program, which has taken the project from an idea to a fully developed product. We are looking for further investment from other sources, including the private investors, to help us take Speechie to the whole of Europe.